So here's how to sell photos on Foap. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. To sell photos on Foap, you have to follow all of these steps. If you are using your desktop, you have to go to Chrome browser and then you have to search for the Foap app. Here you have to click on the very first link at the top. Now you have to sign up for a Foap account using your email or Facebook credentials. To create a Foap account, click on the Switch to Creators option at the top right corner. Or you can also click on the Sign In option to sign up to your account. After that, it will take you to this page where you have to click on the Create a New Account option at the bottom. Now select the creator option and then you have to enter your email address. Moving on, you have to click on the sign up option. As you can see that our Foap account has been successfully created. But to upload your photos and to sell them, you have to simply download the app on your phone. After downloading the app, click on the plus button to upload your photos. Make sure your photos meet the quality guidelines and have good composition. After that, add relevant tags and description to your photos. This will help potential buyers find your photos when searching. After adding tags and descriptions, submit your photos for review. Foap has a team that reviews the photos for quality and relevance. Moving on, you have to wait for the approval. Your photos will go through a review process which can take a few days. If your photos are approved, they will be added to the Foap marketplace. Now you have to set the price for your photos based on their pricing model. You will receive a 50% of the sale price for each photo sold. So that's how to sell photos on Foap.